Hello everybody, it's AndreJMcClendon. Welcome to the show. This video is going to be about collectible gold and silver coins and reasons why you should buy them for yourself or give them to a friend or a family member so you can help them and encourage them to buy precious metals. So let's jump right into it. So guys, we're looking at this 2020 Venom Marvel series 1 ounce silver coin. Now, this one, it is, if you compare the spot price right now, I mean, buying a silver coin should cost you around about $22, but you're buying a series coin, so you're going to be spending a little bit more for this. But what this can do is help you build your collection. So this is something you do for fun, or help someone get more into silver coins also, so they can start saving in silver instead of in, you know, dollars or yen or in fiat. But I'll go into those reasons a little bit later. Alright, so I found another cool thing. This is for alerts only. You gotta find out when this is available, but it's pretty cool. So you have like a kid or teenagers like Batman superheroes. This is something you might want to get them as a gift too when it becomes available. Now, Wonder Woman, that movie is really good, especially with this actress. Now you guys can get this here. It's not too bad. It's only $37. You get it with shipping, you maybe spend like what, $45, but it's a really good gift. Something to get someone to think more about precious metals, more instead of saving into dollars, getting really bad yields. So something for like Cyborg, something else to think about. Now, when it comes to my own personal collection, I like that something like this right here. This is a little bit, to me, it's really cool, especially watching Ghostbusters and coming out when I was a kid. So like, this Ghostbuster coin is really cool. It is pretty expensive. You're buying it at the 1 ounce, but you're all running the collector series. So if you're thinking about flipping these or making money for them, I mean, for me, I wouldn't. I would just buy it just for collectible use and go for like the Eagles for you know, doing the wealth transfer for that. Now, I do find some really cool ones on Providence Metals. These like the horror series that kind of is really cool. We have Hell, we have Loki, and you also have Freya. But these are all really cool coins. Some you can add to your collection, get to a friend or family, get them interested, like I was saying before. But this is some reasons why you should buy precious metals versus, you know, including collectibles, but reasons why you should be looking at these over the other markets. Alright, so let's look into it right now. So we're looking at a historic chart, 100-year chart of gold and silver. I've gone over this a bunch of times, gold silver ratio. So what this is saying is that right now we're at 94.95, so it takes basically 95 ounces of silver to get 1 ounce of gold for the same dollar price. So silver is really undervalued. Gold is undervalued compared to other markets too. So silver is probably one of the best assets to buy, in my opinion. Well, we're looking at the Dow silver ratio right now. So this is simply showing how the overvalued the Dow is comparing to silver, how overvalued that is. So maybe instead of buying things in the Dow, you're going to be getting things in silver. So when the crossover happens again, you can sell your proceeds and buy shares in the Dow. I'm sorry, not shares in Dow. You would be companies in the Dow. Same thing for the gold Dow ratio. Gold is going to be high, but gold's been catching up, and it's still a good time to buy, in my opinion, for precious metals like gold. But the Dow is overvalued. So we're gonna look at the Fed balance sheet. Since the coronavirus and the prick of this bubble, you get going up a huge percentage. We're almost at 894%, and gold is still trucking right there. So it can start going up. All right, we got the S&P 500 gold silver ratio, and you can check it out. Look at this right here. We're still relatively high, and we're not high as in 2001, but it is really high. So it's a very good time, and a recession possibly coming up right now, or we're already in one. And we're gonna last one, the Dow gold silver rate, the Dow gold ratio, also high. I think I've covered this already. But when you're looking at the consumer right here, the consumer index, the purchasing power of your dollar, look at this right here. See how we started before, you know, 1913 when the Federal Reserve was enacted, and look, ever since then we've just been losing purchasing power. So this is a good thing you should do, to save in something else instead of saving in dollars or yen or won or fiat currency, because you just lose value. So guys, you guys want to find more about what I do, invest into the markets, learn how to trade, just contact me on social media, Facebook or Instagram, or just go to my website, start a book a meeting, or contact me through here. And if you guys want to find more information about gold and silver, how to buy it, how to get more involved into it, go to my website, create a free account, click on gold and silver, and from there I got some information that you guys can watch, and some information about things to avoid when buying precious metals. But that's it video, guys. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.